Strut mounting plates, also commonly known as shock mounts, are found in McPhearson strut suspension setups. Their simple job? Attach the shock absorber assembly to the chassis. Over time, strut mounts can suffer from wear and tear. Pedders recommends replacing worn strut mounts when replacing old shock absorbers. Pedders' range of strut mounts are designed with larger, stronger bushes, thicker washers than the original equipment to make the shock absorber mounts more durable. Features and benefits: Pedders strut mounts are built tough with a heavy-duty construction, drop straight in for easy fitment as a direct original equipment replacement, ideal for pre-assembly of strut suspension, and they won't break the budget.